How to change text color and apply gradients in PixelLab. Want your text to pop with amazing colors and gradients with PixelLab? I will show you step by step how to change text color and add gradients to make your designs look professional. First things first, launch PixelLab and create a new project or open an existing one. Tap the plus icon in the top left and select text and type your text. Tap on the text box to edit it. The text options menu will appear at the bottom. Tap the A icon and then select color. Pick a solid color from the palette or use the color picker to choose your favorite shade. Your text color will update instantly. Select gradient to apply gradients. Choose from predefined gradients or create a custom gradient by selecting colors. Adjust the angle and direction to get the perfect look. The gradient will automatically apply to your text. If you want, you can even add stroke or shadows. And that's it. Now you know how to change text color and apply gradients in PixelLab. Perfect for thumbnails, social media posts, and creative designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.